Assalamualaikum, dear students, hope you are healthy and healthy. Welcome to NIES Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin, Shikha, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Mornington. Today I am going to take English first paper class for the students of class 9 on the topic second assignment. I am repeating, today our topic is second assignment. Today I will discuss on this assignment, and this is lecture number 26. So students, for today's class, please take your textbook, notebook and writing elements. I'm going to discuss. So let's start. Students, you know this is second assignment for English, and the unit is Unit 2 named pastimes. And the lessons are: Lesson 1, have you any favorite pastime? Lesson 2, reading really helps. Lesson 3, change in pastime. Lesson 4, change in pastimes in Bangladesh. Lesson 5, pastimes vary. Now come to assignment or assigned task. Pastime may change generation to generation. Take an interview with your parents or grandparents or elderly people of your family. Know about their pastime activities and take notes on them. Also think about the pastime activities of your generation, write the differences and mention why these differences have taken place. So for this assignment, the instructions are: number 1, topic or title. Number 2, introduction. Number 3, body or description. Here you can see you have to write para or para title, may vary assignment to assignment, and at last you have to provide conclusion. So to get excellent, you must have to write at least 5 reasons in your writing, and there will be no error in sentences. That means sentence structure must be complete. Number 3, appropriate vocabulary is used. So if you maintain these 3 points, you will get excellent. Now come to main discussion. Our main assignment task is you have to write about pastime. So for knowing about pastime activities, you can talk with your parents, with your grandparents, elderly person of your family, and also you can talk with your friends and new generation people about their pastime activities, and from this you will get some various idea about pastimes, and getting all these ideas you will write in your assignment. And to write your assignment, there you have to provide a suitable topic or title, and you have to write an introduction, and after that you must have to give a body or description, and in your description you can write in para, or you can write the para with some title. And at last of your writing, you have to write some lines that is called conclusion. In short, you will give a conclusion. So if you provide this, your assignment will be fulfilled. So what is pastime? First you have to know about this. When we get free time, it is called pastime. Pastime means free time. After completing all necessary works of our life, we get some time of our own. That time we don't have to do any particular work. We can do anything according to our wish. We can read, we can write, we can visit, almost all the things according to our wish we can do. So here you are getting knowledge about pastime. You have to make your assignment. Now students, please take your book, textbook, Unit 2. Please open Lesson 4. You can see change in pastimes in Bangladesh. So if you read this text, you will get more information about pastimes. So in earlier times, people used to play games and sports. People used to watch television, chatting with friends, reading books or magazines, gardening, attending social programs such as music, recreations or debates, playing games on computers, others. So all these used to do by people, and old people, that means the generation of our parents or our grandparents, used to pass their times in gardening, in attending social programs. They used to hear music and used to chat with family, friends and neighbors. And also you can get idea about page 30. Here you can see a chart is given, young people's changing attitude to pastimes. Also you can write from here about young people's interest, young people's doing in their pastime. You can get idea from here and you can involve these lines in your assignment. Don't copy from here, you can get idea and you have to write from your own. Your lines will be vary from the text. So students, I hope you can understand what you have to write here. In past times people used to play daisy chains. They used to pass their pastimes by doing their favorite things. So you have to mention these things in your assignment, and also you can include about your favorite pastimes also. So if you write according to the instructions, you will get excellent. And students, the submission date of your assignment is 14th June. I hope you will submit your assignment in due time. Students, that's all for today. Hope you have understood how you have to prepare your assignment. I hope you all will maintain the instructions and you all will get excellent. So please prepare your assignment like that. See you in our next class, inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.